Here we're looking at an overhead service drop in this graphic. All the items in red belong to the utility company, at least in most circumstances. Obviously, there's always can be exceptions. And all the items in green are the responsibility of the homeowner. So the pole, the transformer, here we have that triplex wire. Again, it's not sheathed together. It's all wrapped around the tension wire coming all the way over. They call it the point of service. I would call this the bugs, was our poll question. And then from there on, the service entrance conductor, which is again triplex wire going down through the weatherhead and the mast all the way to the meter socket and the service panel on the inside. All pretty straightforward. That belongs to the homeowner, could be part of the insurance claim. The one thing that's not straightforward, or you might not have known, is the meter right here. The meter is in red in this graphic. The meter belongs to the utility company.